Most drivers and riders are oblivious to the risks on rural roads. They look quiet and feel safe. But unlike urban areas, country roads are a deadly mix of long, straight runs punctuated with sharp bends, tractors, vulnerable road users and higher average speeds. Although collisions are more frequent in urban areas, there's a greater chance of being killed on a rural road, with 60% of fatalities occurring on them. That's an average of 3 people a day, or nearly 11 times higher than the number of people killed on motorways. The primary reason for this is quite simple. We've failed to look far enough up the road and read the road properly, resulting in driving too fast for the conditions, resulting in loss of control of the vehicle. Country roads are unpredictable and have far more hazards than urban roads. You could be enjoying a summer's day drive 1 minute and braking the next when dealing with a vulnerable road user such as a cyclist, a horse rider, or dealing with a slow moving vehicle such as a tractor. Stay in control. Read the road ahead, choose a safe speed and anticipate the unexpected before the bend. The golden rule is to ensure you can stop in the distance you can see to be clear.